Hello, happy Wednesday. So we are going to continue working on division problems. And we talked yesterday that we can use division, we can solve division problems using repeated subtraction. Today we're going to learn how to use division with skip counting, arrays, and equal groups. If you notice, these are our same strategies we can use with multiplication. So remember, division and multiplication are a part of the same family. So you can solve a division problem by skip counting. So on your paper, go ahead and fill out skip counting. And skip counting is also our finger rolls. So when I'm looking at this problem here, 20 divided by 4, I'm going to count up to 20, and I'm going to skip count by 4s. So I'm going to write my multiples of 4 here. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Once I get to 20, I stop because that's what number I'm dividing. And so then I'm going to count how many numbers did it take for me to get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that tells me that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So now we've done skip counting, so now let's look at an array. So you can also solve a division problem with an array. Now the array is going to look exactly like it does for multiplication, but what you do with it is just going to be a little different. So you're going to start with your number of objects, which in this case is 20, and I'm going to arrange the object into this many rows. So I'm going to have 4 rows. So just like my multiplication, I'm going to start out by drawing my rows. So I know I have 4, and I'm going to just keep repeating that process until I get to 20. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So down at the bottom, I had a total of 20, and that was arranged into 4 rows. Then I'm going to count how many I put in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5 in each row. So this tells me that 20 divided by 4, I divided it into 4 rows, is going to give me 5. I have 5 in each row. And the last way today that we are going to solve a division problem is using equal groups. So again, I'm going to start with my number 20, and I'm going to put this number of objects into each group. So I'm going to take my number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. And I'm going to repeat the process until I've used all 20. So 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another group. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So again, I had a total of 20, and I evenly separated that into groups of 4. And then I'm going to count how many groups I had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, my division problem would be 20 divided by 4 is going to give me 5. You will use this for the we do. And your we do today is going to be this problem, this page. and you and your shoulder partner are going to work together to solve 36 divided by 4. Now remember, if you're not getting the same answer every single time, then you need to double check your work. These are 4 different ways that you can solve this one problem. So on equal groups, partner A is going to be the sage, partner B is the scribe. And then for an array, partner B is going to be the sage, partner A is the scribe. Then on our number line, which is what we learned yesterday, partner A is the sage and partner B is the scribe. And then the last one will be the repeated subtraction, and partner B will be the sage and partner A will be the scribe. Once you are done with all of this, you will have our guest teacher check your work, and then you will solve this page by yourself using what you and your partner did on this page in order to help you with this page. Have the guest teacher check your you do before you move on to solve to Dreambox or any Schoology assignments.